I'm Emily.
And I'm Taylor.
And we're back with another episode of Tasting Tampa Bay.
I'm back this week again because not only am I pescatarian, but I love chocolate.
Today we're trying out Hampton Chocolate Factory. We hear they got a lot of good treats, so I think we should go try it.
Let's check it out.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey there.
Hey.
Welcome to the Hampton Chocolate Factory.
Thanks so much.
How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. My name's Raven. I'll be helping you guys today. Are you interested in any free samples to start off with?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Wait, this is cool. You walk in, you just get free samples?
Of course.
Oh, I love that. Awesome.
So all of the flavors that we have displayed here are going to be the most popular ones that we carry, but you're more than welcome to sample everything you can see on these shelves.
Wow.
So, sky's the limit.
And you guys sell like all different kinds of samples. That's so cool.
Yes.
So like this is like, so I've never personally been here, so this is like a chocolate factory. Like you literally have everything.
Yeah, we have everything. We have all of the chocolates that are made in the Hamptons on the shelves here, and we also have some desserts that we can customize in the center.
So the chocolate is made in the Hamptons. Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yes.
Yeah, that makes
Are you a
sense.
milk chocolate fan or a dark chocolate fan?
I'm more of a dark chocolate girl.
Dark chocolate
Yeah.
for me.
Oh, me too. Okay, so
Oh,
we're
yeah.
gonna get
Okay,
along.
cool.
Awesome. Okay, so one of my favorites for the dark chocolate is gonna be the dark chocolate covered blueberry. Do we want to start there?
Yes,
Oh.
please.
The chocolate itself is infused with lavender.
Perfect.
It's gonna be very, very yummy.
It's got a pretty purple color.
Alrighty, so do we want to try one more?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
Okay, do we like coffee?
I love coffee.
Alright,
Yes.
yeah. So this one I recommend trying with the blueberry because they pair really nicely together.
Oh,
okay.
I'm gonna
perfect.
give you guys what we call a triple. So the triple is going to be a blend of milk, dark, and white chocolate
Oh.
with the espresso bean in the center.
Love that.
Perfect.
Okay.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Oh, yeah.
Oh, the flavors are robusting in my mouth.
The coffee flavor is robusting in my mouth.
Like bursting? Did I make that up?
Bursting in my mouth. Like a robust flavor.
I don't know if that's the right way to use it.
It's not, but that's okay.
You can cut that out, right?
You can say it has
You
a
can just
robust.
cut that out, right?
The chocolate's
Let's just cut
robusting in my
that.
mouth. So what else do you guys have going on here?
Well, we have a ton of dessert options on the back wall there, so we can go check that out next if you're ready.
All right, let's go.
Yes, please.
Oh no. That was graceful. Hello.
Welcome. right.
Thank you.
Long time no see.
Yeah.
It's actually not sunny in here, so I'm gonna take those off.
There you go. So over here we're going to be making our desserts today.
Perfect. You have so much on the menu. What do you recommend that we get?
So right now we are featuring our flavors of the month. We have our peach cobbler flavor, our red velvet flavor, and our blueberry muffin flavor. We do transition those every month, so you'll get like a new flavor every month.
Awesome.
And then we can put any of these toppings on any of our menu items. So we can do a
Nice.
frozen s'more, a shake, a waffle, or an ice cream cone.
Wow.
Okay, so what are we going to do today?
Me personally, I'm a cereal chocolate lover, so I think I'm gonna go all in, and I'm gonna get a chocolate dipped cone with chocolate ice cream, and wait for it, brownie batter bliss.
Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
All right, I'm thinking, okay, I've had the frozen s'more before and it's amazing, so I'm gonna go for it again.
Right.
But I'm gonna do it with the red velvet and white chocolate dip.
Great option.
Okay, yay.
Ooh.
I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
Let's do it.
Yes. So for your ice cream cone, we started by putting our pure melted chocolate inside the cone. That creates this very thin layer, and that way when you go to eat the cone, you still get that little bit of chocolate at the end, best part. We also layer a few of our toppings inside the cone so that you don't, run out of toppings by the time you get to the end, of
appreciate
course.
that.
The best part.
Right.
Yeah.
Then we go in with the ice cream of your choice, vanilla chocolate or twist, and then we can put more toppings on top of that with more drizzle and more of that chocolate. So you're getting all of it throughout the entire cone.
Yes.
Amazing. My chocolate experience I always wanted.
Right?
What about mine?
And then for your frozen s'more, we actually have caramel and chocolate nibs inside the s'more already with the
Yum.
marshmallow. That entire thing is frozen. We then take it out of the freezer. We will roast the outside edge, that nice golden brown that you're used to with a s'more,
that.
right?
Yeah.
Then we dip it in your choice of chocolate. In this case, you chose white chocolate. And then we roll that in any ice cream topping of your choice, which we did the red velvet for this one.
Yes.
And then we do the drizzles that pair nicely with it.
I love it. I'm so excited to eat it.
I'm
so
glad,
excited.
yeah.
Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's
Yeah,
eat it.
let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm so
All
excited.
right, let's dig in. Okay, so Taylor, you went with a cone, and I see You got a ton of chocolate on there. What all is in there?
All the chocolate.
All the chocolate.
Emily, you're not even gonna believe this. This is a chocolate-filled cone. Dark chocolate, I might add. My
Yeah.
personal favorite.
Same.
With dark chocolate ice cream.
Okay.
I didn't even know that. They have dark chocolate, milk,
I bet that's
milk
delicious.
chocolate, and vanilla. I didn't know that. And then also brownie bits on top. She
Perfect.
sprinkled some chocolate sauce also on top. So
Yeah.
I'm really just basking in the chocolate.
I can see why. Okay, so I got a frozen s'more, which I've had before, and they're amazing.
Yeah.
So the s'more itself is frozen. They take it out and they like char the sides with their little
Yeah.
fire thing.
So unique.
Yeah.
So cool.
And then they dip it in whichever chocolate you want. So I went with white chocolate, and then you get to dip it in an ice cream topping.
Uh-huh.
So I went for red velvet. It's one of their specials this month.
I
And
love that they
then-
have new flavors every
Right?
month. That's so
yeah,
cool.
and I know they have 3. I want to say it's peach cobbler, this
Blueberry.
red velvet, and blueberry.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I think afterwards she drizzled it with marshmallow topping as well as more of that white chocolate. So
Yeah.
overall, I'm pretty excited.
Well, I know I am dying out here. It is so hot.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to dive into this and get cooled down a little bit. What do you say?
Do it.
Make sure I get a little brownie piece in there, you know? Oh my gosh.
Chocolate heaven.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I just, like dove right into a chocolate fountain. Just like
Yeah.
swimming in it, you know?
Yeah. Drowning in it.
I actually do have tears right now if you just want to get those up close.
Nice.
Not the lashes though, don't do the lashes. Chocolate just makes me really happy. So
Yeah.
I just thought I would share my love with all of our fans.
Oh, okay.
Just wipe away that tear.
Sure. All right. I'm ready to try mine. It's a little drippy at this point.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. All right, it's slipping. All right. I'm going to go for it. Ready?
That looks so good.
It's got the s'more. We got like the slightly charred edges. The red velvet goes with it really well. And I'm in heaven.
Wow.
So,
This is like definitely one of the best dessert places I feel like I've tried.
oh yeah.
Oh
In
my
Tampa.
gosh. All the chocolate fixes for sure.
Yep.
I'm definitely coming back here anytime I have an extra chocolate craving.
Yeah. Or sweet craving. Dessert craving.
Dessert craving. Next time we should go get that huge ice cream cone.
Yes, that thing is crazy. Massive.
Yeah. Okay. Emily,
Taylor.
how do you feel about sharing? Just like
I
like
mean,
the
you can
corner.
have a bite of mine, yeah.
Just like the
Yeah, you
corner.
can have- go
Oh, you
ahead.
don't want any of mine?
Your chocolate soup doesn't interest me right now.
Okay. Cool. Well, I'm just gonna take this then,
Okay.
and I'm just gonna.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. Go for it.
I'm
Yeah.
just gonna put that right back.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Also, wow.
Is that good? Yeah.
I love the marshmallow.
Yeah.
Again, I'm a huge chocolate lover, but I like to switch up my palate every once in a while.
Yeah. Look at that. Got some marshmallow right here.
Right there.
I don't know about you, but I had my sweet fix.
Definitely. The Hampton Chocolate Factory did not disappoint, and I even got a souvenir.
Look at that.
Look at that.
It was nice to have you on this episode, Taylor. Thanks for watching another episode of Tasting Tampa Bay. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment where you want to see next. Follow at Stuff to Do in Tampa Bay and at Your Nation app. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Not the chocolate on the dress. Robusting.
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 Robusting. I feel like I just Florida summer heat.
Delicious
Chocotastic.
step.
Chocolistic
Delicious
step. Chocolistic step. Da, 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 da. I'll be swimming in that chocolate bath.
But chocolate you finish.
Okay.
All right.
I'll be marked with Hampton Chocolate Factory forever. Have a chocotastic day.